In this video, I will show you the 3 best websites where you can watch movies for free and legally. First, we have Plex. Open your web browser and search for Plex, then open the official website. Plex offers a selection of movies and TV shows that you can watch for free without a subscription. You can browse different categories or use the search bar to find a specific movie. Once you find something you want to watch, simply open it and click play. The second website is Pluto TV. Open the official Pluto TV website and head to the Movies section. Here, you can browse through a variety of free movies and TV shows. Pluto TV also offers live TV channels, so you can choose between on-demand content and live programming. Find a movie you like, open it, and start watching. Finally, we have Tubi. Open the official Tubi website and browse its large collection of free movies and TV shows. You can explore different genres or use the search bar to quickly find a specific title. Once you find a movie, open it and click play to start watching. Keep in mind that the available content can vary depending on your country and region. And that's how you can watch movies for free and legally.